Hi, this is February 2nd, 2011, and we had a blizzard, and I am winter sowing seeds, and I put them in milk jugs and vinegar bottles and some rotisserie chicken containers, and I am planting them out in the snow. And I'm hoping this works. If it doesn't, not much money lost, a bag of topsoil, that's it. So, we'll see. I'm going to cover it up because we're supposed to get really cold temps. And my other ones that I did last week are under there. They're sleeping right now. We'll see how this winter sowing goes. Some of the seed, like gaillardia and globe thistle, I didn't even know what was a seed because I had picked the dried flower head, and I don't see any little black seeds. They just look kind of furry. So that's it. That's my winter sowing. Bye-bye.